A luxurious and elegant design. Sophisticated movement. Built with only the finest parts and materials. A value only known in luxury watches until now. Introducing CUSVEN. You can feel the value of luxury with each CUSVEN watch. Choose the design you want to wear for any particular day, and allow it to be the final piece to complete your outfit. So that whether you're engaged in high-profile business or undergoing creative work, you can upgrade your style and visual appeal even more. Each hand contains the identity of CUSVEN. Dials crafted in collaboration with watch designers. Crown and crystal-encrusted crown. Robust body made from 316-liter stainless steel. Sapphire glass for absolute transparency and scratch protection. A truly reliable Miyota movement. Interchangeable Italian leather straps. 5-bar water resistance. Buckles to allow for a comfortable fit. CUSVEN watches have it all. Each CUSVEN watch is handcrafted with the utmost care by experts with over 30 years of experience in dealing with the smallest of fine details. A single item that makes you shine even brighter. Luxurious and elegant design. Sophisticated movement. Built with only the finest parts and materials. Enjoy a more vivid and luxurious time than yesterday. CUSVEN.